we were talking about sports today and how we try to develop players from scratch. And I think one of the biggest challenges that we're facing today is a lack of desire on the part of the players to excel and to work hard. That's something which has really changed from the time when we were playing, when we were players, and we were looking to upgrade to maybe representing the state or even representing the country. So we were prepared to work for it, and people never questioned if the coach asked them to go out and maybe run five laps of the ground or work for 2 hours in the afternoon sun or something like that. But today I can see a very noticeable change in that and in the attitudes of the players who come to us, and especially the players who come from affluent and privileged backgrounds. And I think one of the main reasons for that is the moment you make things easy for a person, he doesn't want to do even the bare minimum that is required of him to achieve success. So that, as a society, over the last 20 years, we have evolved, and generally I think economic situation of a family over the last 20 years has become much better than what it was earlier. There's more disposable income, there is more money for various things which maybe even as kids ourselves we never thought of asking our parents or even dreamt of having. So now people just take those things for granted, and everything is so easy for them because they don't need to really work for it. Now if I wanted a cycle to go to college, my parent would tell me that you first need to get good marks in the exam, and then as a reward for that you would get that cycle. So that is how we work, that is how we got our cycle after having got good marks. But now a child would just go to his parent and tell him that dad, I want the latest iPhone 6, and his dad buys him because he has the money to do it. And therefore that system of working to get a reward, that is completely changed over the years, and that is showing in various aspects of sports as well, because the amount of hard work that people were willing to put in, the kind of single-mindedness that we had as players in trying to improve our own performance or trying to reach a particular goal in terms of sporting achievements, that has considerably gone down over the years because things are so easy and things are so easily available and they're instantly available. You ask for it, you get it. The concept of working for something, waiting for it, and trying to achieve after having worked for it, that has gone haywire over the last few years. And I think that is the biggest change that I've seen in sports, and not just in sports, but I would say probably because I am connected with the school, I see it in students as well. The amount of hard work that they were willing to put in 10 years ago to achieve good grades and score well in exams, that has gone down considerably, and the interests of the children have broadened so much into Facebook, into Twitter, into various kinds of gadgets, and wearing the latest branded maybe jeans or sneakers or whatever it is. That has become the most important focus of a young boy or a girl's life at this point of time. So therefore that single-mindedness and devotion towards scoring good marks or working at your subject or excelling in it, that has completely reduced. Of course there are exceptions to this, there will always be exceptions, but this is something which has happened over the years. This is a change in the mindset of the generation which is now the generation now or the generation next, whatever we call it. This is something which is the biggest change that we have seen from our times. So while it's good to have facilities, while it's good to have opportunities and the best of coaching, the best of video analysis supporting your sporting performances and all those things, the best of equipment, be able to buy the best quality bats or the best quality boots or whatever it is, while it's very important to have that to develop as a player, it's also important to develop yourself mentally and to develop that mental toughness, which somehow, because of the ease with which things are available to us now and that requirement of having to work for it having reduced so much over the years, that mental toughness is missing in a lot of young children that I see, especially sportsmen, if I talk about sportsmen in particular. So that concept has to come back again. The coach or the teacher who's trying to improve or develop a sportsman has to make him work for a particular thing, give him a target, make him work for it, and once he achieves the target, reward him with whatever is the desired outcome for that child. So that, I think, is something which we all need to do consciously. The parents need to do it, the coach needs to do it, the teachers need to do it. So we have more disposable income, we have more opportunities, we have more equipment that we can buy, better equipment that we can buy, we have more money to invest in our sporting education. All that is there, which was not there 20 years ago. But the main thing which is missing is the will to excel, the will to work hard and excel, I would say. And that can only come if, as adults, as the coaches and teachers, we try to make them sweat for it, make them work for it, and once they achieve something after having worked for it, we reward them with whatever it is that they would like to have at that point of time. So that is a system, that is a process that we should be working on to make sure that we use the resources that are now so easily and readily available to us and make the best use of those resources and optimize the young athlete or the young player's performance to high levels.